We got invited to experience a tailgate party right outside the New Jersey stadium where the World Cup was taking place. We of course vlogged it all so that we can share the experience with all of you too. We typically spend a lot of time at home in our gaming setups, especially now after we just bought a new house and are in the middle of renovating it and making it ours. However, we still love to travel and experience new things, so we immediately booked tickets when Sylvox invited us to fly out to New York. This travel vlog is a bit special for a few reasons though. Not only are we attending a World Cup event, which is an amazing experience in and of itself, but I also went on the trip without Cam and instead brought my mom. Thank you to Sylvox for sponsoring this video and inviting us to your World Cup event. Before we talk more about the event itself and Sylvox TVs in general, we first have to get there. We took a reasonably quick flight over to New Jersey, which is right next to New York City, before driving over to the hotel, which had a beautiful view of the Manhattan skyline. We opted to stay in New Jersey, near the New Jersey Stadium, or MetLife Stadium as it's normally called, where the game and event would take place, instead of in New York to minimize the time spent in traffic on game day. There were so many people there and transportation prices were extra high, so this was definitely the better move. The event itself was a tailgate party for the Germany-Ecuador game, held in one of the parking lots just outside the stadium where they played. Sylvox were the ones who had invited us to the event, but there were other brands there too, adding to the whole experience. Sylvox are known for their outdoor TVs, something that we have in our own backyard and absolutely love using during the summer. And they had several of their TVs up on display during the event, showing off World Cup games on the screens. It was a pretty bright day, but the TV still had great visibility in both direct sun and shade. They had a few different models on display at the event, ranging from different budgets, including their Deck Pro 3.0, which is the most budget-friendly TV, more suitable for partial sun or shady areas, the Frameless Pro, which has ultra-thin bezels and is the one that we have at home and absolutely love, and the Cinema, which is their flagship model packed with the most features, including a Helio QLED panel with dynamic local dimming, an anti-glare screen, and 60-watt Dolby audio. They all feature a built-in Google system, which means that you can easily stream your favorite shows, movies, and sports directly from the TV. The main benefit of these outdoor TVs is the fact that the screens get so bright, up to 2000 nit brightness, which means that it's possible to watch the TV even if it's really sunny outside, without having to sacrifice the quality. They're also waterproof, which means that they can stay outside without issues even if it's raining. They're enclosed in a full metal body, which also makes them resistant to heat and cold, which means that they can function in both summer and winter without having to be taken inside. It's a huge upgrade to your backyard space, especially during the World Cup, as you can then watch all the games outside without missing out on the nice sunshine. As mentioned, the event had other sponsors there too, including live music from a DJ, several social games, freshly cooked food, and lots of good vibes. The atmosphere was amazing around the entire city, especially at the event and in the crowds walking past towards the stadium. I must say Ecuador had the best vibes overall and brought such a positive mood that it was impossible not to root for them and get excited with the fans as they won against Germany. Although I wish we could have seen the game from inside the arena, which is incredibly expensive and currently out of our budget, this was definitely the next best thing. There were still plenty of fans watching the game outside the stadium, and it was nice to still feel included and get to experience the happiness and positivity. My mom and I walked around the mall next door after the event, which is called the American Dream Mall. It's the second largest mall in America, so it was really cool experiencing that too. We did some shopping and even got to feel more of the celebratory energy here too, as there were so many watch parties and after parties happening in the bars inside the mall. We drove over to Manhattan, New York City the next day as it was only a short car ride away, and we just had to, since it had been the view from our hotel room for 2 days. New York City is really such a magical city to me, with a unique vibe and so much to see and experience. We didn't do too much here on this trip though, as we only had a few hours, but it was really beautiful just walking around places like Times Square and Central Park. The park was really nice and relaxing, and it's always shocking just how quiet it gets, even when the busy city is still so close to it. We ate lunch at a diner that served me the largest chicken pot pie I'd ever seen, and then we walked down Fifth Avenue, which is a large street of high-end shopping. We passed by some churches along the way, as well as Rockefeller Center, the Empire State Building, and finally, Grand Central Station. Feeling satisfied with our day in the city, we went back to New Jersey and to the airport. It was a short trip and very last moment, but I'm so happy that I got to experience the Sylvox event, the World Cup celebrations, and a day spent in New York City, all while taking my mom along with me. We had an absolutely wonderful trip, and hopefully we'll get to do more events like these in the future. Huge thanks to Sylvox for sponsoring today's video and the New York, New Jersey trip. Check out the description for more info on their outdoor TVs and various models. Cam and I actually went to New York City last year, where we did absolutely everything touristy, so make sure you subscribe to the channel to see when we drop that vlog. You don't want to miss it. There's also a playlist with all of our travel vlogs, including Los Angeles, Las Vegas, and more. We also post daily short-form tech and setup content here on YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok at CamXPetra. Check out our website at CamXPetra.com for links to products that we use too. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.